Hey guys, are you ready for fall as I am? I am so ready for fall. I'm ready for cool weather. But what I'm going to share with you today is these three beautiful wreaths. Now, two of them I've already created, but the one that I'm going to share with you is because I'm using a type of new wreath vine, and it is called the angel vine. It's very soft and very giving, but it is absolutely easy to work with. The type of floor pieces that I'm using are the chrysanthemum, and these are of a mauve color. And I am going to embellish it and share with you how it's all done. If you're interested, sit back, relax, go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is you're choosing to drink. Sit back and just relax. The bunches of or the bushes of the four pieces that I'm using, I think I picked these up at Hobby Lobby when they had their 40% off sale. I'm going to use my glue pot. I have my wire cutters and my scissors. I have extra glue sticks. I'm going to get to work, get this wreath completed and embellished, and I'm going to share with you my way through with it. And then I will also show you the other two that I am donating to the family reunion, as they will have new homes. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will enjoy the content of this video. And if you enjoy content such as this, anything dealing with beautifying the home decor, shopping hauls, changing out the home in the seasonal, love decorating for Christmas, do just a little bit for the fall, but I do love making wreaths. So if any of that being said interests you, then by all means hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll never miss out on anything that I create on this channel. Now here I'm just showing you how I am inserting the floor pick into the vine here. Is so easy. Just putting a little glue onto the end there, and then just placing it in and just holding it just for a little bit, just so that it attaches very well. So guys, keep watching, keep enjoying it. I'm just going to show you how I'm putting this together and how I will embellish it to something absolutely gorgeous. So stick around. So because I want my wreath to be very full looking, I am taking the floor pieces and adding them also along the side. Now do you see how this wreath is of the grapevine like material, but it's different. As again I stated, it's very soft and very easy to maneuver. So adding the glue to the ends and then just pressing and holding for a bit. And then once I finish with the row of the outside edges, I will go back in and complete this look with my embellishments. And it is going to be the embellishments that are going to take this wreath to the next level. So again, if you're wanting to see what this looks like when it's all done, do by all means stick around. And hey, if you're at this point here and you're still watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you enjoy the content that I bring. And again, if you enjoy content such as this, I welcome you to be a part of my family. To be able to achieve this look that I'm looking for, my desire is to have a very gorgeous wreath. And in order to obtain that, I am using these little spray bushes here. I am using them to cut pieces off. That way you get more bang for your buck when you buy the bushes of floor pieces or flowers and you buy the larger sprays. Buy them when they're on sale. Buy them at the end of season and cut your pieces up. You get more. So that's what I'm doing here. And then once I apply these to my wreath, in between my floor pieces, I'm going to go back in and use a zip tie to make sure that I have it tied down. Now I may put a little glue on these. Right now I'm testing, but I may put some glue on these. I'm not sure, but I will be zip tying them down in order to hold them in place. And then once I'm done with this look that you see me doing here, I'm going to take those pumpkins that you see there on the side and place them alongside. These are my embellishments for this gorgeous wreath that I am trying to achieve. And again, if you are so interested in how this is going to look, then you must stick around. If you need to refresh your coffee, your drink, or snack, go ahead and do that right now. Still have a little ways to go. And again, guys, I'm going to share with you how I have detailed and put this beautiful wreath together. And then I'm going to share with you the other two that I have already have ready. Like again, by the time you see this, our family reunion will have already taken place. And there will be 3 recipients that will receive these. I think they're going to done by draw of name tickets. And so whoever the ticket winners are will go home with these beautifully decorated, made with love wreaths for the fall. For fall of 2025, I am already starting with creating wreaths. So if you like these, let me know. Let me know what you think of how these turned out. All right, family, we're almost at the end. I'm attaching the zip ties to secure um, the spray and the picks to the wreath itself. I next will go in and dovetail my bow, and after that it will be reveal time. So I want to again thank you all for hanging in with me. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Become a part of the family by hitting the subscribe button, giving this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will know that you've enjoyed the content. And guys, hey, I welcome you here anytime you want to stop by. Just do so. I am your lovely host, Gigi Faison. Now, guys, I reveal to you the work of art that has been created by the one and only, your friend, your sister, your family, Gigi Faison. This is one part of my contribution for the family reunion, and I have created this on a very affordable budget, but absolutely gorgeous. I did not skip out on the beauty and the creativity. And this is just one of the 3 that I was asked to make, but I brought you guys along so that you could see me make that one. But this one also is of neutral colors. For those of you that don't like a lot of color but yet still fall like. And this one, the last one, is absolutely gorgeous, very vibrant, all of the vibrant colors, and a welcome. And this is my photo with the winners. Be blessed, guys. Until the next time.